we were trying to figure out the range, and the range equals the greatest number minus the lowest number. So let's look at clue 1. Number of students that took the quiz was 26, and the lowest score was 70. Well, that tells me that the lowest score is 70, but knowing that there's 26 people taking the quiz does not help me find the greatest number. So clue 1 does not work. Clue 2. Each class, the average was 85. Well, the way you find the average equals the sum of all grades divided by the number of people that took it. And we know that average is 85. But that does not help me find the greatest number or the lowest number. So that doesn't work independently. So now what you do is you put both together. All right, I know that the lowest score is 70. Each class number of students quiz was 26, and the lowest score was 70. And what was the greatest number? Well, I don't know. So now what does clue 2 give us? The average was 85. That doesn't help me find this greatest number. So even when I put them together, it doesn't work. So nothing works. Your answer is E.